morning we're here in the vineyard picking the grapes. This Saturday morning we're picking the Sangiovese. It's nice and early, so there's a light breeze, so it feels cool. There's a little bit of shade, but we're hitting it hard. If we get this done in the next 2 hours, then we're gonna move on to the Merlot. And later on we're gonna show you at the winery how we process the grapes. So these grapes here that we're picking right now are Sangiovese grapes. Sangiovese grapes are the major grape in the Chianti region in Italy. My Sangiovese grapes don't come out quite as robust as an Italian Sangiovese, so we're gonna make Root and Tootin' with our grapes. That's a real sweet red wine we make every summer, and it's light and fruity, and it's very enjoyable. We planted 450 vines. Out of all those vines, I've only lost one vine in 10 years, so that's a pretty good rate. We used to get about 4 tons of grapes off the vines. Today I think we'll pick about 2 tons, so we're picking about half the vineyard. We're at the halfway point. We're switching varieties, so I wanted everybody out. My brother's covering up the Sangiovese. We're not gonna pick any more Sangiovese. The next 3 rows are gonna be Merlot. We're gonna take the nets completely off of 2 of the rows, and one of the rows I'm just gonna pin up with the clothespin.
A nice bunch of raisins. It's really good.
You stay away from me, I'll stay away from you. We have a deal. It's a mutual agreement, right? This thing is crazy huge.
About to wrap things up here and head to the winery where we're gonna turn this stuff into wine. Did you know that Jesus' first miracle was when he turned water to wine? I'm gonna use some yeast.